up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to embed Tumblr posts into your WordPress website, into any section of your site. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to your Tumblr and find the post that you would like to embed. In my case, it's gonna be this one right here, okay? Then you have two ways to copy the post contents. You can click into these three little dots and copy link, or you can go to this share icon and click on copy link as well. Both ways gonna work. In the case that you want to embed the post into other CMS or into a pure HTML site, you can click on embed and get the code right here. But if you are on WordPress, there is an easier solution. You only have the needs of the link, okay? Then go to your post, find the post that you would like to embed, this Tumblr post that makes sense for the post. Click into this plus button to add widgets and search for Tumblr. Just like this. We have Tumblr embed, click on it. Place the post URL. Just like this, click on embed, and here is the post already embedded. Simple and easy. Let me share how the post gonna looks like with the embedded content, and here is the result, a pretty decent embed. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. In the case that you are using other ways, you can copy the code, and instead of the Tumblr post, you can use the option custom HTML, just like this. Edit HTML, place the code right here, update, and here you're gonna be able to see the post, okay? Let me share with you. Here's the post. Same result, but two different ways. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys tomorrow. All the best.